What's up, guys? I am rolling out some matting for this 24-foot wellcraft. We have the transom all removed and gutted, new wood installed, and mainly faired out. Got a few low areas here and there. Down in here, got some low areas. I'm going to add some more blue that you see here, fast drying fiberfill. And if you've been watching, you might remember I had an issue with the corners, being that the molded glass is a lot further away from where the wood was bonded in. So what we did, at my buddy's suggestion, is throw in a scrap piece of fiber and kind of blend all that in. So I'm going to continue to do that before I lay the fiber in. I'll fair these out, add a little more filler, and give it a good quick sand and grind. But what I'm doing for now is I've got 3 layers of matting here, 7 feet long each. This is the last piece here, and I'm going to basically sandwich make a sandwich with this roving here, which I'll roll out now. Roll this out a little bit. This stuff is pretty good because you can mark your line right up, cut it like that. Okay, so got 5 layers rolled out. 5 total layers. Got 3 matting and 2 roving. Sandwich those together. I think that's about as thick as the original is, roughly a 1/2 inch. So I think that's what I'm going to run with, and then I'm going to layer some peel ply on top of that once that's all went over. So I don't know, in any case, I'm going to go ahead and cut the height of this, which is probably about 40 inches overall, and I'm going to try my best to wrap it right around the back of the well here. I think that's going to work out okay. I might have a couple of fill spots in 1 or 2 places, but looking pretty good so far. So I don't know, I'll cut my 40 inches this way and take this first layer of matting and make a template over this whole area, and then kind of cut everything out. And this will be tapered an inch or 2 as I go. Basically each layer will be a little bit less, so it'll be like matting, roving, matting. So the roving and all the thick layers won't go all the way to the edge. All this will be filled in. It's all tapered. So I'm going to taper the glass the same exact way. That's less grinding for me, less sanding, less fairing, less BS basically, and less time. And no material waste, less material waste, dust, crap everywhere. So not that there isn't enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that. Okay, that is all my sheets cut, so I'm going to go ahead and hang that first one, that first layer of matting up, so that I can make a template with that, and then I'll use all the rest. I'll use that to cut all the rest. So let me do that. I'll put these other 4 pieces away for the time being. Got this all clipped up and just level to the bottom here. Try to get this smoothed out as much as possible. Out of the clips. So basically I've got these corners. I will make some relief cut. Okay, so I've got this all cut to the edges, and so I'll take this off and cut it to these the bigger pieces. Had a little mishap back here. There's some water down here. I don't know if you can see that. I didn't see that. It's under all this dust, so when I lay the glass down, it got all wet here, so I pulled that out, and all this is dry. This is sopping wet. So, in any case, it's all ready to go either way, and I'll just patch that with a little bit of fiber. I'm actually running out of space here, so if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. You'll get notifications for all these videos, and next video I'll make me glassing this transom. So go ahead and subscribe, tune in for that, like this video, share with your buddies. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.